Welcome. If you're looking to update your group owner title on Telegram web from your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you can give your group owner role a fresh, custom title that stands out. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Telegram web. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at your chat list on the left and find the group where you are the owner. Click to open that group's chat window. Now, look towards the top right corner of the group chat. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. Click on these 3 dots, and from the drop-down, select the Edit option. This will bring you to the group's Management and Settings page. Next, find and click on the Administrators section. Here, you'll see a list of everyone who has admin rights in your group. At the very top, you'll notice your own account listed as the owner. Click on your profile in this list. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a field labeled Custom Title. This is the spot where you can type in a new title for yourself as the group owner. Whether you want to call yourself Founder, Chief Moderator, or anything that fits your style, just type it in. Once you've entered your new custom title, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. Your changes will take effect immediately, and your new title will now appear next to your name in the group's admin list and, depending on your settings, in the chat as well. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can personalize your group owner title and make your Telegram group feel even more unique. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new group owner title.